I'm called Arieba Olive from Kwarkwar village, Kameke sub-county, Pallisa District. Before joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was a farmer. In our village there, we were growing crops like cassava, millet, and soya bean. Our parish chief is the one who created us here. I also choose because I want also to improve on my living. I'm in the Feedmill Industry, and from there I've also learned on activities on how to process foods and also objectives. I've also learned on how to make tiles. It's like you get your eggshell. After getting your eggshell, you grind. After grinding, you sieve. Yeah. And then you get sunlight. Even that one you sieve. After you get white cement, after getting, you mix all of them. You pour water or some small water. After you get a bowl, and then you get a ruler, a basket here, and you start. I've learned about the pelletizer. Yeah, that one makes pellets. Yeah, when I go back home with a machine here, I will teach the youth on how to make the maize bran, how to make posho, and other things. I thank Gudie Leisure Farm because I know it has improved my life of standing.